Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagin Kumar. This is my second video for class 11. In the last video, I had discussed about your syllabus of computer science. Now in this video, I am going to discuss the question pattern and marking scheme for computer science subject. I have already told that there will be two papers in this subject. Paper 1 is of 70 marks and paper 2 is of 30 marks. Now theory paper 1 divided into two parts. The part 1 is of 20 marks and part 2 is of 50 marks. Now part 1. Part 1 contains 3 questions and all the questions are compulsory. Question 1 is of 5 marks and it contains 5 short questions of 1 marks. The mostly questions from Boolean algebra and number system. Now question 2. Question 2 is of 10 marks. It has 5 sub questions of 2 marks. It is question from 1 to E, 1 to question from E to E, and each one is of 2 marks. These questions are mostly theory based question from number system, Java expression, Java string function and data file handling. Question number 3 is of 5 marks. This question is output based question. In this question, a Java method of some class was given. We have to write the output of this method and also show the dry run. In this way, the first part contains 3 questions. First one is of 5 marks, second one is of 10 marks and third one is of 5 marks. So total 20 marks for the part 1. All the question of this part is compulsory. Now come to the second part. Second part is of 50 marks. Total marks for the part 2 is 50. There are three sections in this part. Section A, section B and section C. We have to answer 6 questions from this part, 2 questions from each section. Now section A. Section A contains 3 questions of 10 marks each. But we have to choose any 2 out of 3. All the questions of this section are from the section A of syllabus, that is basic computer hardware and software. Question 4 of this section A is of 5 marks and it contains 5 sub questions of 2 marks each. All the questions are from number system conversion of number system and binary arithmetic. This is a easy question for class 11 student. It is quite easy to score 10 out of 10. Now question 5 of section A. It is of 10 marks. It contains 3 sub questions A, B and C. Question A, sub question A is of 5 marks, sub question B of 3 marks and sub question C of 2 marks, total 10 marks. All the questions are from third chapter of section A syllabus, that is propositional logic and Boolean algebra. Mostly questions are based on propositional logic, truth table and logic gates. Here a Boolean expression was given. Sometime you have to draw its truth table and sometime you have to draw the logic gates of this expression. Now, sixth question of this section, it is also of 10 marks. This question also contains 3 sub questions, like the question number 5. It is sub question A is of 5 marks, sub question B is of 3 marks, or sub question C is of 2 marks. Mostly questions are from the chapter computer hardware, and they are from the topic half adder or full adder, truth table or logic gates. Now come to the section B. Section B also contains 3 questions of 10 marks each, but we have to choose any 2 out of these 3. Here all the questions are based on Java programs. So section B is pure programming section. Questions of this section are from array and string chapter of section B. The question number 7 of section B is of 10 marks. It is a single question based on programming, and the program was mostly based on Java string handling. The question is based on Java string handling. But the Java program of class 11 is little bit different. In class 10, we have write the complete program in main section, main function. But in class 11, we have to write the data member function inside a class, then finally define the main method, and within the main method we have to call all the function using object of that class that we have defined. Now question 8. Question 8 is also a single programming question of 10 marks. Here programs are mostly based on double dimension array, that is on matrix. Question 9 is also a program of 10 marks, and mostly it is number based program of Java. In this way, section B contains 3 questions based on Java programming. Each question is of 10 marks. Within this, we have to choose only 2. Now come to the section C. This is the last section, and it contains 3 questions. But here all the questions are of 5 marks, and also we have to choose any 2 out of 3. The 2 questions of this section is on Java programming, and third and last question is on trends in computing and ethical issue. Question 10, here question 10 is of 5 marks, and this question is based on Java programming based on recursion. Then question 11, it is also of 5 marks, and this question is based on chapter data file handling. Data file handling, in this we have to write Java program on text file or binary files. And question number 12, the last question, this is also of 5 marks. It contains 5 short questions of 1 marks. All the questions are theory based questions from chapter Trends in Computing and Ethical Issue. So students, that's all about your question pattern and marking scheme of computer science. So students, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.